So in the Welding Technology class, we're going to go through all the different processes of welding, from stick and TIG to MIG, and over all those processes, you'll learn how to weld, what you're going to need to do to weld, and then all the skills that you need to acquire while practicing them. Personally, what I've gotten out of it is I've gotten the experience I believe I need to be able to be successful in my job field, and the CTC gives you a great head start. It's a hard field to get into. There's not a lot of people that do it, and the people that do it, they're really good at it, so you need all the help that you can get, and Sam and Rodney are both great teachers. Well, actually the CTC, it's a really nice facility here. They are probably one of the nicer schools that you're gonna go to. Everything's kept well. For the Welding Technology program, what I'd tell them if they wanted to come here, I'd tell them be ready to work, because you're gonna have to work hard in this field. There is no lollygagging around. You just gotta be getting straight to work, and you're gonna make a lot of money doing it.